No, it's not live now.
It's not live. Can it be live?
Yeah.
My heck.
This is how they prepare it, guys. So they put the meat inside, they roll it, spread it, and then they put it in the oven. That oven. Oh, poor. Hello everybody, good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Today we're going to a night market to do some shopping. So my intention for tonight is to do some exotic fruit purchasing and share that with you guys. I've never been there, so I want to go there and I want to share this experience with you guys. Also, I'm waiting on a friend. I haven't seen her as yet, but hopefully I'll see her soon. And people are passing me and looking at me, but I have to be brave and bold and do this. Okay, so she's here and she tells me to get down. So see you guys soon.
Hi.
Yeah, she's finally
Nice
here.
to meet you all YouTubers.
Yes, so she's finally here, guys.
Being a superstar.
Huh? You're becoming a superstar, yeah.
In your channel.
Yeah. So we're about to head to the
Yeah,
night market, yeah? And
yeah.
then we're going to do some fruit shopping. So here we are.
Yeah, but a little bit unlucky.
Oh my God, it's raining. Yeah.
A little bit. But the market is still on.
Mhm.
I hope we are lucky enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because tonight when we decided that we're gonna do it, it's
Yeah.
raining. Oh my gosh.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, it is.
Too much.
Hopefully it doesn't rain any harder than this.
Did you bring an umbrella?
No.
It's okay. You can go to my apartment.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. I didn't bring one.
Yeah, because when I came out, I realized it was raining, so I texted you and said, bring an umbrella.
Yeah, I saw
Look at this.
your message too late.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
But
Can have
Yeah.
a hot shower later.
yeah, yeah. It's not even about me, it's my gadgets, the things I have in my hand.
Yeah. Precious.
Yeah. But yeah, your apartment is finished? Everything is ready? Because I know that takes a while,
Yeah,
you know?
anticipating for your content.
Yes. I can't wait. I'll get there one day.
I still remember your Jamaican food. It's a gym
Uh-huh.
with the swimming pool.
Uh-huh.
She lives behind that.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's a little bit far.
Well, if anything, the day when we're planning that meal thing, the day when we're planning our meal, cook-off thingy,
yeah,
chicken, yeah,
cook Kashmir food.
yeah,
Yeah, I can cook Chinese.
yeah,
You can cook
Jamaican food.
and you can all do it in my
apartment.
uh,
Yeah, no problem. No problem. When she returns from Shanghai, because she's now in Shanghai with her family,
yeah,
so
you can go to hash
yeah. I mainly want to purchase like fruits, like exotic fruits, because I want unusual. Well, it wouldn't be exotic for you because you see it every day, but for me, like unusual. Yeah, like fruits. Watermelon. That's not exotic. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't really like kiwis anyways. It has a sour taste. But grapes, maybe I could buy some grapes. Yeah. Yeah, street food. Yeah. So this is Chinese street food, guys. Yeah. My main goal was for the fruit. But let's go around and see for well, can't you park the bike somewhere? Are you okay with walking with the bike? Oh. Oh. But look how close. Then why was my map telling me that it was like 45-minute walk.
Because your map
Uh-huh.
didn't consider the.
What is this? Can't even see. Oh, rice and vegetables inside.
Yeah. So now you think it's not too far, right?
Yeah,
Very
it's
close.
close. Very close.
Yeah, so close.
So I'm like, what? My map was not accurate at all.
Because your map doesn't counter the bypass.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. What's this? Is it a snack or something?
It's like a pizza.
Oh,
Yeah,
pizza.
it's
Not this. This.
yeah, it's Chinese shopping. We call it shopping. It's
Oh. And sesame
yeah,
sesame
it's kind of
seed
bread,
on it. Mm.
Chinese bread.
Maybe I should try one. Yeah? Okay. Hello.
你要吃点什么？
这是什么？
烧饼，主要是烧饼。
Shopee
南京特色。
Shopee.
对，
Okay. 多少钱？
2块1。
我要一个甜的。甜的。Okay. 你好。啊。Okay. 谢谢。Oh, here.
应该是放在中国不行吧？应该放在中国。昨天来了2个，他今天他们一个来，过2天。
别的国家呀？
反正顺路的吧。
Huh? Where is the QR code?
This is for WeChat.
Yeah, Alipay.
Alipay 我那个支付宝有吗？
Seriously?
它其实 WeChat。
Oh my God, he can't do that. Why does he only have WeChat? I just finished my money on What is he saying?
我也不听见。
I just finished my money on how you scan again. I just finished my money off my WeChat, you know. So I don't know. He said 2, yeah?
Only two.
That's the only thing that's left on it. Literally today I bought some. I just finished because I don't have my account linked to my WeChat.
Oh, you didn't link there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
谢谢.
好，慢走啊。
Bye bye.
Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, like
So I'm going to try this and see
the
what
dry
it is
sauce,
like.
I guess. So we are
Alright guys, so now I'm about to try this. What's the name of it again?
shopping.
Xiaoping. It's
Yeah.
bread, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a.
So
I thought it would be.
post on YouTuber. You can post on the Chinese WeChat. So I can show you. I can see you.
Okay, well.
Now I don't have VPN now.
It's not bad.
You like it? Yeah.
But man, it's scrumptious. Like, it crumbles in my hand.
Yeah.
So crispy.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Okay.
So I can eat this. Sushi, which I don't like. I've never eaten. I've never tasted sushi.
You never tasted.
Not interested at all.
I remember
Once they say it's raw fish, so I'm like, It looks nice, but no. I don't want. He's selling sweets and sushi. What is this? 这是什么？
这是炸牛奶。
What is that?
it's fried milk.
Fried milk? How do you fry milk?
Yeah. Fried milk.
How do you fry milk?
They mix milk with some starch
Milk with starch?
and then they fry it and
Uh-huh.
the taste milky.
Obviously. But so what are the it doesn't smell bad. It smells good actually.
It's from Japanese.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Originally Japanese, but
Some are seafood.
mhm.
Yeah.
Some are seafood and
Yeah.
some are milk.
Some are, snacks you can.
Yeah, but which one is not raw meat? That's what I would like to know.
You
Which
want no,
which one is not raw meat, like fish?
you want fish or
No fish.
no fish?
Yeah, and
Wow.
no milk. And no milk.
No milk. You want meat?
Yeah, which
哪些是肉？有就是肉。
这是鸭肉，
ugh.
这是培根，
This is duck meat.
Nah, I don't eat
This
duck.
is bacon.
That's pork.
Yeah, pork.
然后这些是
Damn,
海
I don't
鲜
eat anything.
Yeah, it just looks fancy.
Yeah, I don't eat duck. I don't eat pork. Nah, this is milk. Not interested. Why would it be?
They have something here.
These are big. What are these?
I think this looks nice.
Yeah, 这是什么？
芋泥，
Oh, this is like it's like a vegetarian. 这个是没有肉的，对吧？
没有没有没有。
Yeah, this is like a
Vegeta-
like a dessert.
Let's see.
Yeah, yeah.
他是不喜欢吃
Yeah.
肉的吗？
吃鸭肉不吃猪肉
哦，
，so
多少钱？一个
一个2块，
2
2
块。
元
Okay.
，2元 is.
I'm gonna
fine.
try the vegetarian one
Yeah.
and see. It's okay. It's officially my first time trying sushi.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me
Yeah.
try
You choose one.
this one. I want that one.
这个一个
Okay. Ah, I only want one. I only want to try one.
哦，好
对对对
对一个试一下啊，
Okay.
OK，我也要一个，这样我也要一个，
也要一个，也要芋泥的，
对，我也要芋泥的，我要这个，
You're gonna try?
我要这个。You give me, just give me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We only need it by
Yeah, I
hand.
just need my. Yeah, we don't need that.
All right. Cheers to us. Cheers.
Yes.
All
Drop
right.
it.
Eat it. Eat it and tell me. How is it?
这是广东那边的
It's
芋
good?
头，
那个，
It's good?
yeah, creamy. I like it.
You like it?
You know, I'm vegetarian. That's my only option.
No. All right. So this is vegetable and rice underneath, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try mine and
Yeah.
see. I need somebody to hold my
It's a
camera.
little bit dessert.
All right, so this is me trying my sushi. Yeah, it's vegetarian. So if you don't like meat, you can give this a
他是
try.
美食博主吗？
它不在中国的那个，
他就是拍自己，
It's cold.
它不在中国的平台播，所以我看不到。说英语你也听不懂。
我知道这个。
It's okay, but not my favorite thing in the world because I don't like cold food.
Oh yeah, sushi is like
Yeah.
cold.
Yeah.
Now
Cold
you
food.
understand how sushi.
Yeah. Now I understand how sushi works.
你
Huh?
们 AA 制吗？
Yeah,
啊
yeah.
AA 制是吧？
I've
Yeah,
never.
I pay two.
Oh, you paid for both?
No, I pay
Oh.
two. Yeah.
I've never had interest in tasting sushi, but yeah.
Now you understand.
Yeah. Now I can truly say it's not my favorite.
Yeah, I
Sorry.
pay two. Yeah.
Alrighty. That's it. Bye.
拜拜拜拜。
Bye.
So we're on to the next shop.
那个行不行？
Yeah.
要不好意思不付钱。
What's this?
What is that?
Barbecue.
What is that?
It's chicken bone.
Chicken bones.
Yeah.
It doesn't look very appetizing. Some fried chicken and some shriveled up potatoes. What is that white thing? The white thing.
Very common in Korean also. It's sticky rice.
Oh, wow, sticky rice. Okay. I think something from a fast food restaurant, and I got a few of those. So it was okay. Yeah. I've never been down this side, I think. Okay. So, guys, I told you before that I'm here to do some fruit shopping, but instead we're looking at some small carts.
This is called barbecue.
Kebab. So they have some kebabs here.
Oh, kebab.
They look nice. I guess this one you choose which one you want, and then they will purchase it for
来
you.
6个羊肉串，
Okay.
6个羊肉。
What is this? Beef, chicken, lamb.
有辣吗？
Wait on this, so we won't purchase any of this. But you guys already know how they prepare kebabs, yeah?
That's how they do it.
This is how we do it.
It's
Wait.
like a convenient.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, so this is like
It's a convenient hot pot.
yeah, very convenient. So you can purchase whatever you want here, choose your meal, and then you get to sit down over there like you're at a restaurant. You're at an actual restaurant. It's very nice. You want to purchase something? All right. Okay, let's go. What's this?
It should be a
Tea?
sweet
好，
something
谢谢
sweet.
啊。
How to say that?
好，没事。
What is this?
Sweet drinks. I don't
Oh.
know. I never tasted.
And it's hot.
Yeah, it looked like some Pakistan tea.
Oh.
and the milk
Yeah,
and the
tea.
flowers.
Tea, milk, and flowers.
Yeah, what kind of flower?
啊，这个有点味道。
这什么
茉莉、桂花还有洛神花。这个没学。
茉莉 how to say jasmine? I don't know.
Jasmine?
I don't know how to
Oh.
say. Me too. I don't know how to say. 茉莉、洛神花，还有什么？
还有桂花。
桂花. Also, I don't know the names of the flowers. I only know lily,
Rosemary.
Yeah.
But how do you drink this though? Like,
When they fully cook,
Mhm.
they pour it to a cup so you can enjoy it.
尝一下。尝一下。
They give you a test.
nice. So we're gonna taste.
Yeah,
Test.
It's like
Taste
a
test.
Free test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna taste test this tea
Yeah,
and tell you guys what
I
it's
think
like.
this pot is very nice.
Yeah, right?
要稍微等一
It's
下。
a very nice
还
spot.
没煮开。
Yeah.
对，因为这锅刚
这
煮上。
个已经变色了。This is
这个是洛神花的，
嗯
这个是茉莉花的，然后这个是桂花的。
Oh. They are not putting all the flowers together. They're putting one flavor.
Oh, they're all different flavors.
different
Wow. So
flowers.
3 different tastes.
So smart.
So we're gonna taste test one of these. So we're gonna test it out, right?
Yeah, this is
Very good. And it's hot, so we have to be careful.
Be careful.
Hold it. Thank you. Yeah. Alrighty, so we're gonna try this out. She's a pretty woman. Tell her she's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Ah, you are. This is good. It's
你
good.
是心里那个土耳其老师吃过是吗？我是之前在他那上班，然后后来特意回头又从那学的。吃过你就知道他们家的酸奶，我不知道你在他家有没有尝过，非常绵，都可以拉丝的那种。
我应该吃过，我去那个我去上海 南开也去过，那边的那个。
他们那边当地的酸奶和我们这边就是在中国的这个酸奶会有一点点区别。他们那个就是那个咸酸奶，那个叫Island，土耳其他们当地叫 Island 是咸酸奶那个。
What island?
Yeah.
Jamaica.
No, milk.
No, she's talking about some
Turkish.
yogurt.
Oh, what about Turkish yogurt?
Yeah, there's
This?
a Turkish restaurant
Where?
in Shenyang.
Uh-huh. Well, I've never been there.
I've been there, but I didn't try the yogurt.
Oh,
Yeah.
the yogurt is good?
Yeah.
Ah, I love yogurt, but you know, Western yogurt. Chinese
Yeah.
yogurt is a little bit watery.
No, 我们那个是你可以出去。
Okay, so guys, this was absolutely amazing. Yep, it was good. The taste test was wonderful. I don't think a full cup would be too much for me, but this was perfect, you know? So it's good. You should come, guys. Well, then again, you can't come. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
They can come. You know,
Yeah.
They can
Thank you so much. It was wonderful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. So this is their shop. Yep. That's what. Huh?
这个是原味酸奶，没有糖的。
What is this? This is the
Yogurt.
yogurt?
Turkish yogurt.
Ah,
Turkish
the
yogurt.
Turkish
Yeah,
yogurt.
she's mentioning this is delicious
Oh.
now.
Try everything.
Yeah. We're so lucky.
Yeah, this is the yogurt I'm used to. This is the kind of yogurt I'm used to. Yes. Not the water. Yeah, the Chinese one is. No, I always wish I knew how to. It's more like ice cream, so I like it. Yeah, that's what I'm used to. They even have cakes. This. Oh my god, what did I do with this thing? Like, intestine. Oh. So I bet. Okay. Oh my god, what's this? This is the head. This is the head of the duck, guys. This is the neck. All duck. But we don't eat, I don't eat duck. No, this? It doesn't look disgusting. It's just I don't eat duck. It's more like a brown stew. If it was chicken, it would look the same. Oh, but the intestine, no. not for feathered animals at all. Maybe for cows and goats. What is it?
This is like a roll. You see the photo here?
This one? Oh. What do they have inside? I think I've tried this before. It's very delicious. I've tried it.
Turtle.
Look at that!
Yeah.
Look at
You
the
raise
turtle!
a turtle, it can accompany your whole life.
Oh my god, this is so cute. If I was
a
the
turtle can live up to 200 years.
really, you need to have one at home.
Yeah, but
Look at this, guys.
yeah, toy mouse.
That's a mouse.
It's a mouse. It's kind of mouse. I don't know its English name, but it definitely belongs to the mouse kind. Yeah, we can maybe not.
Beautiful
call it
birds.
Yeah.
This is smelly tofu, guys.
Yeah,
it is
yeah.
so stink. Oh my
You should
gosh.
try once.
No. It is so stink. I will never try that. You see how these look delicious, guys? Some of them aren't. So So here we are again, guys. Purchasing. Well, we're not purchasing anything right here because they are stuffing it with pork and again, mayo pork.
Do you remember its name?
The name is.
The
What's the
name
name?
is
What's the name?
Shopping.
Xiaobin.
Yes.
Xiaobin. So you guys remember the smaller thing that I ate earlier? It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Hi. Who is this? So that's the larger version of the xiaobing, and we're gonna be eating some xiaobing. Well, not me, because they're stuffing it with pork.
Yeah, me too.
Unfortunately.
No, me too.
Yeah, but it's very delicious, I must say. I tried this when I was in another city, and it was round, and it was so delicious. They usually put it in here. You don't have any in here? No? No, only over there. You're laughing at me. You say you're laughing at me? With this, guys, I know that you have to knead the dough like perfectly. Yeah?
你要上
Cause-
外国评
Look at that.
Is it online? Is it online?
What?
Is it online?
Yeah, yeah.
It's online?
No, it's not live now.
It's not live. Can it be live?
Yeah.
So high tech.
So this is how they prepare it, guys. So they put the meat inside, they roll it, spread it, and then they put it in the oven. That oven right there. Oh, cool. So this guy is doing
都是鲜肉的。
Meat.
meat. What kind of meat though? Is it chicken or beef?
肯定是猪
这边
肉。猪肉是吧？
对，猪后腿肉。
猪 pork.
Oh,
When should I take photo of you?
when these people leave because it's very busy, right? Someone is always coming to buy. That's cool. So if you ever decide to do this in your life, maybe you could try this, guys, in another country. Because if I say it is delicious, it is, because I'm a very picky eater. Yeah.
Yeah.
My word.
Have you?
Hi.
Yeah, consider on your own book.
Right? Hi, handsome boy. Huh? You're so handsome. All right, so we have started journey or fruit journey. Yeah.
Can.
So sugarcane. Yeah, but these are so small. These are tiny.
Yeah.
What is this?
Chestnut.
I saw. Oh,
Chestnut.
it is. Our first fruit shop. How beautiful. Yes, very fancy, but nothing exotic. I don't see anything exotic. There's some grapes, apples, nuts. What do you say? Some what? Oh, it's not durian. What is this? The thing is durian, but it's smooth. How much is this? Yeah. This is what it is. So why is it the outside looking like a durian?
Yeah.
I saw this today online. So
Not thorny at all.
it's deceiving us, eh?
Yeah. But this guy
Yeah.
is not real.
How much is this though? This is like grapefruit.
If you look like this, I think it's worth to be concept. But if it's like this,
Mhm.
it should be normal.
Yeah.
I have this at home. I have this at home.
I guess we'll go somewhere else and then who printed this thing?
Yeah.
Alright, so these are the kind of grapes I'm seeing. so far, these ones. But
I recommend to buy local.
yeah, where? Up further? Do you think I'll see some of these? I want this. Someone was telling me it's peach, but I don't think that's peach. Peach? No. Peach has a different taste and different texture. But that is delicious. Yeah, I cook. You can also you can also have your local barber on the street if you want to. And while the barber is there cutting, you can buy some eggs as well. Yeah, so everything. Every and anything that you want, you will find here at the market, the night market.
Some fruit.
Right now it's what time is it?